Who is the Union Pacific coming out?
Huh?
Who's coming out?
I am.
Okay, well, I also need to go in on that track sometime.
Alright.
So go ahead and hop out. Is the Nampa yard. You get out of his way. Whatever you need to do, Buckin.
Here we go.
Yeah.
So you can video.
Okay. Coming through the town. It is time to flex. Bring out the town. Yes. And I'm going to flex with it. You know, it's how
I would do that, but I don't know.
It's not here. Not on your fucking island. Right, but I'm saying mine is not here. What? Oh. That is such a cool set. Alright, now here he goes. He's climbing up. Going up on the grade.
This is the replica of the one up north.
Yep.
I've been there. Been there and seen it.
Love that bridge.
Wow,
Gosh.
that's gonna be really cool.
It's
So there-
named after Bunker Hill.
Bunker Hill, okay.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, yeah, cool.
That's nice. You're fine.
Where'd yours go, critter?
It went through the tunnel.
Oh!
It'll come out this way.
Oh, okay, I missed it. Oh, there it is. Cool. I got it just right on. That was perfect. All right, I'm going to go this way now.
But it'll come back around because it's going out this way.
Oh, all right, all right. Well, I'll just kind of sit here.
So I don't
Wait. Oh, you're fine. I'm sorry in your way. We just had to do this at least once.
You're all good.
Coming through. Look at this. I'm going to get it all the way in there, critter.
Hey, Grandpa, check this out.
Coming around. It's coming around.
Grandpa,
Here it is.
look at this.
Where the avalanche snow bridge.
And the cool thing, you'll see the train coming out right onto the second floor.
Went
It'll
through
go
the
around
tunnel.
Here.
All right. It'll come out right there, right?
And over here.
Okay.
What's the ratios into feel like?
We do 45 scale as a, and we have a couple places where you can
Right, go get closer.
Wow.
Oh, right there. I got it. Look at that.
do it from the pictures you got on the internet, and then the sample in the church thing you get from the library.
This is going to be perfect.
What do you do? I don't know if I can.
I think this is really cool.
Are you the drummer that was slicing with a heat control?
Somebody was doing. They were doing some fun back in there. Yeah. So this is a master phone.
Yeah.
like a cheese slicer.
Sure.
Slowly cut that crust and shake it.
I love a lot of the terrain. And, oh, your train is running really, really well. I love them bells.
This is modeled after Sun Valley.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, with the ski lift and that bridge, the passenger bridge. I'm gonna get it just up here. You're fine, sweetheart. Yeah. That's okay, sweetheart. I got it. I can feel from here. You go ahead and go.
Okay, main is realigned. Wait.
A lot of people here today.
Yeah. So, open house.
Yeah.
Reverse onto the track.
I'll just grab her over by
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
Are you headed to the ER?
Yes.
We're railed ahead of you.
Are you good? Huh? Where you at? I'm right there. Oh, okay.